Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best FPV drone review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Eachine E58 FPV Camera Drone. The Eachine drone is equipped with a 120-degree wide-angle 1080-pixel HD camera including adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. With its compatible Wi-Fi app, view real-time images and do not miss out any moment. Connect to your drone via mobile phone to experience the unforgettable. It also 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control you to achieve better stability and effortless control while flying the drone. Though small in size, it is designed to provide high-grade photography and videography experience. This drone provides large capacity 3.7 volt 500 mAh battery. This battery maximum battery life of 10 minutes and remote control distance 100 meters. This drone provide multi-function system is like follow me system. This drone automatic follow you, and you can draw a route on the app screen, and the hovered drone will fly following the path accordingly. It have 3-level flight speed, 2 switch that can make more fun with the flying. 360-degree rolling can shoot more fun and interesting videos for you. This drone features a function that enables it to find its way back automatically. With one click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. Number 4. TYRC LS11 Pro FPV Camera Drone. The TYRC drone equipped with 120-degree wide-angle 1080-pixel HD camera, manually adjustable 90-degree angle front camera which can broaden your views more flexible and record your exclusive memory photos or videos. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. It also large capacity 3.7 volt 1800 mAh high performance battery with flight time up to 25 minutes and charging time 90 minutes and reaching up to 100 meter control distance, giving you a more extensive flight experience. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. This drone more reliable stunt performance to make 360-degree flips, third rolls more fluid. Turn on the ballistic and fingering functions on the app, draw the flight trajectory you want. The aircraft will automatically fly according to the flight trajectory you set and drawn, without remote control operation. Smart and fun. It also built-in return to home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Number 3. TYRC V8 FPV Camera Drone. The TYRC drone equipped with 45-degree angle adjustable 1080-pixel HD camera, equipped with a high-definition wide-angle lens combination. The picture reproduction is high, wide-angle lens distance, battery capture every moment you want. With advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. This drone remote control method, the stable air pressure hovering technology, allows the aircraft to be in control more stable and easy to control. This drone is equipped 3.7 volt 650 mAh intelligent battery for up to 15 minutes ultra-long flight time. Besides, it also can reach up to 100 meter control distance, giving you more extensive flight experience. This drone provides stunts like 360-degree flips in the air, high-speed rotations, and various flight speeds, brings tons of fun and impressive performance to flying drones. Kids and adults can both enjoy happy family time indoor or outdoor. The richer functional experience, multifunction mobile phone control. The stable air pressure hovering technology allows the aircraft to be in control more stable and easy to control. Just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Number 2. SevenSFET 60 FPV Camera Drone. The drone 4K HD 45-degree wide-angle 1080 pixel HD camera, front camera and button camera can be controlled by remote control, giving you a different perspective. The shooting range is greatly improved. Wi-Fi FPV Drone Dual Camera Quadcopter Height Camera Drone. FPV Real-Time Transmission. You are able to see real-time first-person view on the app. It also high-definition real-time image transmission, full control, and viewing of aircraft aerial images through the mobile app, clear image return, allowing you to see the migratory bird's demeanor and record everything easily. The drone provides 3.7-volt 2000 mAh intelligent battery. It can have up to 20-minute flight time, increase voltage and capacity to make flying more powerful and longer lasting. This camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. The drone features a function that enables it to find its way back automatically. With one click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. Number 1. Xinjiachowanki 4DV4 FPV Camera Drone. The drone equipped with 1080 pixel HD Wi-Fi camera which can be adjusted to take better aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can see the sky from a live video through a specialized app on your phone. This camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. This drone provides 3.7-volt 1800 mAh battery with a maximum flight time up to 15 minutes and charging time 90 minutes. Remote control distance 100 meters. It also gesture control makes selfies so easy. Simply raise your hand or pose V sign. The drone will take photos and videos and draw a path on phone screen, and the drone can automatically fly along the routes you set. You can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal on smartphone without a remote controller. It also smart return to home, automatic takeoff, and precise hovering. Operation is more streamlined and safer than ever.